On 12th March 2024, Deriv sent me an email notifying me that my accounts have been closed, which means I had to create a new real account if I wish to continue trading. I've closed these accounts because they have been inactive for 30 days. So which means the moment you spend a full month without trading, Deriv will close that account and you will have to open a new one. Okay, so if I want to create a new account, I would begin from here, but let me just take you through the whole process, how you can create a new real account and make a deposit as well. And on top of that, this is not the other new account you are used of, right? They are the same, but it is now special. How is it special? It is a swap free, which means even when you hold your trades for long, you won't be charged for such trades, right? For those of you who are traders, you already know that once you hold a trade for a long for more than 24 hours, Deriv charges what we call swap fees, but for this one it will be swap free. In addition to that, you are going to get all the assets in just one single place, including synthetic indices, currencies, crypto, among others, all in one place in this single account. Alright, so let's go. If it's your first time to create a Deriv account, you will click on open the demo account. I created a whole video to walk you through the entire process, so be sure to watch it as well. So for me, I will log in my account and we go step by step. And if you haven't downloaded the application, you can take advantage of this pop-up to install it. Either way, you can scroll down and download this application as well if you do not use the pop-up method, because sometimes when you open Deriv.com website, it will pop up where it will allow you to download the application. However, if you are not able to get it, you can as well just scroll down until you see this one. If you're using a phone, you can use Android, you can use Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store if you want to install it on your phone, but this video is all about how to create a new real account and make a deposit on our trading account. Okay, so let's get back here and I will click on login. So here I will log in with my email and password. So let me first input my details. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this top left 3 bars in the corner here. Right, so when I click there, I'm going to see this menu. Alright, and I'll go to cashier. So when I go to cashier, instead of going to deposit, withdraw, payment agents, transfer, I'm going to Deriv P2P because this is the method I usually use. If you want to use other methods like Bitcoin or crypto or payments agents, you can go to payments agents. If you want to use the payment, then I will click on login. You can go to deposit, but before I go to my deposit method, because for you may be using something different, let's go to this one called deposit, and we'll see some of the deposit methods that you can use. Okay, let's click there. So these are the deposit methods which are available. You can deposit via bank wire, right? You can deposit via credit card and e-wallets. And as you can see, these are deposit methods that are scrolling from right to left. Okay, like the local payment method, debit card, instant bank transfer, e-wallet. Okay, you can see. So if you want to click on any, let me just click on this one, rather this one of e-wallets. So let me click on that and you see check the box to confirm you have read and understood the above reminder, and you will see these deposit methods. So let me get back to Deriv P2P, the method I'm going to use today. I like it because it's quick, cheap, and you can deposit as little as $1 or even $5. You will land on this page. Kindly first read through this for your safety. Then after, check the box and click on confirm to continue. There you go. Depending on your country of origin, you are going to see the number of sellers who are there. And luckily, me enough, I usually use this guy. I trust so much. I've transacted with him more than 10 times, and he's the fastest and most reliable, and is the only one who is available, Morris01. Okay, in most of the cases, if you are from Uganda, you are likely to find when the list is full, and this guy is not online, as you can see this symbol. But however, since he's the only one available, like his rate currently is 3963, which means the dollar is currently expensive in UGX, and the limits is from, you can buy from him between $1 up to $182, right? So once you confirm that you want to buy from this guy, you can click on buy USD. If you want to sell using P2P, you can also come here on this sell, right? And you see some of the ads which are there, or the sellers or the merchants or the vendors who are in here. But for now, like for me in Uganda, currently there are no sellers or merchants. But me particularly, because I want to deposit in Deriv, that means I will have to buy USD because I have UGX on my mobile money. Alright, so let me go to buy. Okay, and from there I'm going to click on this one, and because I'm used with this guy, I have his WhatsApp number. In most of the cases, I WhatsApp him up and we talk. Okay, so and after that I can also log in like a text here in the Deriv chat box to make it official. So like one of his instructions here, right, is saying instant deposits and withdrawals from Deriv agent, pay to Airtel merchant. This is his code for Airtel merchant. Then for Momo Pay, those of you with MTN in Uganda, you can see this is his code, all in the names of Kabito Morris Seguya, right? Call or WhatsApp me on this number here, and this one for inquiries. Do not send directly to those numbers, please. They are strictly for calls. So what I'm going to do, me, I'll copy this one, right? I'll copy it. I already know it, or you can copy it if you wish, right, by just tapping there and you hold, then you copy it and enter the amount here. Like I'm going to buy 20 USD, so I'm gonna enter it here and click on confirm. Pay now, right? 79,262. That's what I'm going to pay. Before you pay, make sure you have enough funds on your mobile money account. So let me first check. Okay, so I have confirmed that I have a balance. I have 85,144, so I can send. Please make sure that you have all the details, including the order ID, and you can take a screenshot to save it until the transaction is complete. This order ID is very important. Should anything happen, Deriv is going to ask you your order ID, and these figures are the 7 figures here from 65441662, other 166. This is the order ID. Deriv is likely to ask you if you are logging in any complaint should anything happen. Now that I have this seller's Momo ID that I'm going to use to send the amount, let me go to my mobile money and send the funds, and I will get back to confirm that I have paid. Yeah, and that is star 165 hash. Then you go to number 3, pay with Momo, then enter the merchant code, and that is the seller's Momo code 181316. Click on send and enter the amount, which is 79,262 UGX. Confirm if it's right, and then select number 1, pay using mobile money. Before you enter the PIN, read through to confirm the amount, the name of the seller, who is Kabito Morris Seguya, the one you are sending to, and the good thing with Momo, you won't be charged any cent or shillings. Then enter the PIN, click on send, and voila, the funds have been sent. Now that I have paid the seller, the next thing to do is to confirm that I have paid the seller and he will deposit the money. To create an MT5 trading reel account, click on the drop down arrow and tap on looking for CFD accounts. You land here, Deriv MT5. Now where you see open means you already have that account that you can access, but for this one it was closed, so I will figure it out how to reactivate it via my email. So we have a derived SVG for synthetic indices, financial for currencies, and swap free for all the assets. And if you want to get more accounts, you can click on get more plus icon. Right, so me I will choose a swap free accounts because it is like a one-stop shopping center for all the assets Deriv has. I will therefore select the swap free account, which will take me to this page to choose the jurisdiction, and to do that just tap in the middle and click on next. You will be required to create and enter your password that you will be using to log in your MT5 platform. So I will create one, and once you are done, click on add account. Congratulations, you have successfully created your real Deriv MT5 swap free SVG account. Now to start trading, we shall have to transfer funds from Deriv account. The other funds or dollars I deposited are to this account. To get started, click on transfer now. Either way, you can transfer funds between your accounts by going to the three bars on the top left corner and then to cashier and go to transfer. I have $20 in my Deriv account and I'm going to transfer only 10, and to do that, make sure that the account you are transferring from is above and 2 are below using the arrows on the right side, and enter the amount you want to transfer. So I'm transferring from my US dollar to the swap free account I have created. Then after, I'm gonna click on transfer. So you can see, because we have just transferred 10, the balance is 10. Yeah, it was $20 and I've transferred only 10. So which means I'm going to be trading with the 10 while I'm also keeping another $10 here. Now it's time to connect our Deriv account to MT5 swap free account. You realize that the option in red is now open, not get, because we have already created such an account and all we need is to open it. Copy the login details or credentials that we shall be using in our MT5. So after copying, you need to make sure that you have copied the broker name, which is Deriv SVG LLS, then the server name, which is Deriv SVG server 02, and your login ID, normally 8 figures. Then go to MetaTrader 5, click on manage accounts, then click on the plus icon on the top right corner, then type the broker name in the search bar or space, that is Deriv SVG LLS. It's this one. Tap on it and then enter the other login details you copied, including the login ID, password and server, and then tap on login. Once figures show up, it means you are already logged in. If you don't see the amount you transferred reflecting here, refresh by holding a scroll from the top towards the bottom of your phone using your fingers. You can see the funds have been deposited here, right? Now you can go to your MetaTrader 5 quotes to customize the assets if you like, and that is adding assets and removing the ones you don't want. Like I said, this swap free account is a one-stop shopping center for all the assets offered by Deriv.com, like volatility indices, step indices, range break, jump indices, crypto, energies, equities, among others. To add symbols or assets, you go to the quotes and then on the plus icon on the top right corner, type what you want in the search bar, like volatility indices, and all volatility indices will show up. That is volatility 50, 25, 10, etc. Tap on one of your choice and click on add symbol above, and it will be added, right? And you can repeat this as you continue adding your favorite assets. And to remove it, go to quotes as well, then click on the pen icon on the right corner, top right corner, and you will see the icon to delete, where you can select all the assets you want to delete. Now a bonus tip for those who already had a Deriv account and took long, more than 30 days to trade, and their accounts were closed. Yet they feel they don't want to open a new account. So what you do, go to that email you received from Deriv, and you will see the option to open or create a new account. Don't worry, it won't be new, but activating your previous one. So check on or click on create a new account and you will be taken to this page. Select trade with MT5 mobile app and use the same previous login details and your account will be activated. Congratulations for reaching this far. It means you are serious into making it with Deriv.com. Make money online together. Let's subscribe and we learn more tips and tricks. Good luck.